Hello everyone and welcome again to another tutorial from our Ahrefs series. Today we're working with another of their free SEO tools, which is the Website Authority Checker. But we're not rushing in and using the tool right away, right? So let's briefly discuss first what Website Authority means, just in case you're curious. So if you're a newbie in the SEO world, you may have yet to cross this term, but website authority simply refers to how strong your chosen website domain is. So, since website authority checks for the strength of your domain, you would want to have a high domain rating. Um, in terms of that, you would want to rank higher than your competitor because that would then be uh, that would then dictate the authority of your domain. So basically, you can use this tool to monitor your ranking or your website's authority rank. And what's amazing about it is that it's free and you can simply access it by going to the bottommost part of Ahrefs website. Let me show you right here. So this is Ahrefs website. This is the landing page. And if you scroll down to the bottommost part, you would be able to see a bunch of free SEO tools that they offer. And the one we're working on today is Website Authority Checker. So upon clicking that, you would then be routed to this page. And here we have the tool. So having mentioned all of those about the authority and domain ranking or domain rating, you may be wondering what's a good range for this, right? So, well, according to Ahrefs, there really is no set score that's considered good, but what you should completely focus on is that your website's domain ranks higher than that of your competitors. So, using this tool will allow you to check that so that you can improve your website's standing. So, when you open this tool and you scroll down, there's a bunch of information you can find here, all pertaining to how to use the tool, why it's important to know the authority of your domain, really helpful information that you can use when determining your needs to improve your domain. So, um, right now we're going to use a tool for ourselves and check uh, what it says about, let's say, Serpwizz. Let's not go too far and use our own website, right? So, once that's there, click here, and then you'd see here Serpwizz domain rating. So there are a total of 551 backlinks and 151 linking websites. So as you can see here, if you want to sign up or if you want to know more about your competitors' data, which is very vital, you should sign up for Ahrefs and you will be given a more in-depth explanation of the report that you're getting. So definitely check that out. But for us today, we'll go ahead and try this on further. Let's see, let's see here. So for just for comparison, let's use Ahrefs. Just click that again. And here we can see Ahrefs domain rating. Here you go, it's ranked at 90. I think this is a percentage. Yeah. And then you can see here how many backlinks are pointing to your target. So that's 74 million. Outstanding, of course, as expected from Ahrefs. And then the linking websites here. So we have one more. Let's check this just for comparison purposes. So here we have yep.com. It's currently at 52% with backlinks of 514,000 and linking websites of 1,500. So that's the difference between the two. If, for example, your website and you know your competitor's website as well, you can absolutely use this tool to check um, the comparison of the two domains. So now that we've seen what this free SEO tool can do, you might be thinking, how can you improve your domain rating, right? So, well, one way you can do that is by earning more backlinks. When we say backlinks, those are links that are coming from reputable sites, reputable websites, or strong pages where you would want a link leading back to your website. So once the reader or the user clicks on that link, they will then be directed to your website. So that's what you call a backlink. So that method is absolutely one way you can it's a surefire method on how you can improve your website authority. So that's it for this tool. If you want to watch more, you can find the playlist link in the description box because we're doing a whole Ahrefs series tutorial. So definitely check those out. Um, and be sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up if you're enjoying this series. See you in the next one, guys.